Get a feel for the 2021 GMC Sierra. This vehicle still has fewer than 10,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. This strikingly handsome Sierra delivers full-size pickup strength and plenty of modern comfort and convenience. From its impressive towing and hauling capacity to its quiet, spacious cabin and tech-savvy connectivity, this is the truck built for today's lifestyle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, sun, moonroof, fog lamps, bed liner, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, Wi-Fi hotspot, aluminum wheels. Stop dreaming and start living. This handsome Sierra won't last long. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.